Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can pay someone with Apple Pay. So first of all, what you have to do is open the wallet application on your iOS device, maybe your iPhone or your iPad. Then you have to tap on your Apple Cash card. In case if you haven't added your Apple Cash card already, then simply click on Add Card and follow the prompts to add your Apple Cash card. And you also have to deposit some money into your Apple Cash. So once you have done all the depositing and added your card, you will see your balance and a new button called Send or Request. Simply click on Send or Request button, and then on the next page it will ask you that enter the amount you want to send to someone, and then simply click on Send button, and then it will ask you who do you want to send. For instance, you can open your contacts and select the friend to which you want to send that balance. And after that, click on the side button to pay, and for confirmation it may ask you for your Face ID or Touch ID or your passcode on your iPhone. Once you're confirmed, then you have successfully sent money or paid someone with Apple Pay Cash. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.